Good morning, guys. So today is our fourth day na and we're heading to Hoi An. Susundin kami ng may na-arrange kasi kaming driver. I-tutor kami sa Hoi An. And call time is 10:30. Medyo sakto pa lang yung oras. We'll be back at around 4 p.m. Balak kami mag-clubbing tonight. Okay, Hoi An tour begins now. First stop, Silk Factory. Ayan, kaya pala may malaking uod. So, yun o. Hermes, Sardi, Gucci, Burberry, mga yan. All made in Vietnam. Seafood restaurant. Kami magla-lunch. Beachfront siya. Surely a Vietnamese authentic yung yan tayo sa beach. Huwag na tayo sa buhangin, siguro dito lang pwede na. No, just here. Oh, it's buhangin. Your car's gonna be dirty. Oh, yun. So, we're here ngayon dito sa hindi ko alam ang tawag dito. Basta magko-coconut boat ang tawag. Coconut boat. There you go. Ayan. Trip daw nila sumakay. Very colorful. The old town in Hoi An. Galing kuya oh. This wood, they're making this. Galing, oh. Napadpad kami dito. James Bibles Bicycle Store. Line sila ng track eh. Authorized dealer. kami tonight. Clubbing! Gonna go clubbing. Tugs. 8 years. Nagutom nga kami. We're gonna eat. Late night eating. Lakad-lakad kami, hanap-hanap ng mga ganito. Wow. Kahit ano na yan, kainin natin. Ayun na po.
Lang, oh.
58 pesos.
50 pesos.
Oh, may bilyaran pa dito. Grabe. Oh, may bilyaran pa, oh.
Ayan, hotdog, pare.
Sausage yan.
Hotdog.
Pare, 10,000 goko lang? Hindi na. To, photo tayo, photo. Photo. Ito, okay to. Alright. Yeah. So, 2 minutes away from our place. Dito kami ngayon. Diyan kami kakain. American food again. Mga burgers, shakes, fries, beer. Not sure. So yeah, may mga margarita. Parang diner ang dating niya eh. Yeah. Yep. It's a sports bar, diner style. Nice, ah. Okay siya.
Habang nagsasalita ka, may nagka-translate.
So, here na, Terminal 2. Heading home. Super dry.